Hello, welcome to a day of my life as an IUKL student. Today, my class started at 11 a.m, so I decided to start my morning with a quick jog around the hostel. Afterward, I head back to my room to get ready, prepare my laptop and notes for the day classes. Outfit check! By 10 a.m, I'm having breakfast at Swiss's Cafe, catching up on assignment and group discussion. After the class ends, I head to the Central Mall to grab some lunch and do a bit of grocery shopping. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.